Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily if you're new here. Today I wanted to share with you all a couple new items I got at Hermes. I know these lip oils are all the rage and kind of trending on like various social media right now. So I definitely wanted to check them out and share them with you all. So I did pick up two Hermesistible infused lip care oils, and I have one on my lips right now. So I just wanted to share with you all some like swatches of lip oils, my review and initial impressions. And yeah, so let's get right into the video and let's get started. Okay, so I picked up two of the Hermesistible lip care oils, and this is the packaging they come in. Very simple white packaging, and the inside is a little bit orange. So nothing too luxurious in terms of packaging. I know they do like to keep it classy, so I guess in that case it's a little more simple and not as like quirky and cute as some packagings are these days. But yeah, so I got two colors. There's 6 different colors in the line, but I like these two the best personally. This one's Rose Kola in, I guess shade 5 Brilliant, but it's called Rose Kola. So that one looks like this more mauve-y kind of purple. So there's that. And then the one that I have on my lips right now is a very popular shade, I think. This one's the Rose Pitaya right here. So I know some people have been saying Pitaya or whatever. I'm pretty sure it's Pitaya. Pitaya is like a fruit that's like a rose kind of shade. This is the Rose Pitaya. So she's definitely more pinky, more bright. But I will note, and that's why I'm going to do some swatches for you all right now. The colors that you see in the lipstick itself, it's not like how it turns out because they're very sheer, they're very light, and it won't be exactly this. You could probably build it up to get to like a color close to this, but definitely just with a few applications like this color is clearly not exactly what you see in the bottle. So just wanted to let you know about that. So you definitely need to try it on with your like complexion and see if you like it, but the colors are definitely more sheer than what you see out here. So the one I currently have on is the Rose Pitaya. This is like, I put on like 2-3 applications like around my lips. Definitely makes them a lot more plump, so that's nice. You can clearly see it's very glossy and like, yeah, it just looks like a more juicy plump lip look. So very nice in that aspect if that's what you're going for. I like that, and these both have different scents. So if you're not a scent person, that might be something to keep in mind. You definitely want to smell them beforehand. But this one, it kind of smells, I know some people don't like the smells, but this one's kind of like fruity smelling, almost like floral. And I can taste it like while I like push my lips together. So if you don't want that, like again, you need to test this out beforehand just because these are pricey. So these are $55 each. So definitely recommend going to the store if you can and like swatching them. Like they won't let you put it directly on your lips, but you can, you know, swatch them, put them like on your hand and test them out that way. Just because, again, if you don't like the smell or you don't like something like that, you're not going to want to use it. For $55, I definitely think you should make sure that's correct before. I don't know how good the return policy is, honestly. I don't think Hermes has like, you know, super good return policy. Okay, so yeah, so that's Rose Pitaya. You can see it on me right now. And then let me do like a swatch of the Rose Kola on my hand right here. So here's one shade of it. So it's definitely more, yeah, it's a darker, more mauve-y color. And then, you know, as you like build it up a little more, like let me do another little swatch of it. You know, it can get a little darker as you add more layers to it. So there's that. And then let me swatch the other one on my hand real quick as well. There we go. So there you go. It's a little more of a pink, less purpley. But again, like when you can see it on my lips, it's definitely looks a little more nude. So I have a very light complexion and it's already like the color's already not showing out too bright. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, that's the differences right there. You can see the Rose Pitaya a little more pinky and the Rose Kola is a little more mauve purple. Both of these I think are really amazing everyday colors. That's kind of why I picked them when I saw all 6 colors. I was like, I can see myself wearing these all the time. Like this could go with like a lot of different outfits. I would say the most important thing about these is not the color, it's more like the formula and what it does for your lips. So it does definitely bring out more of the plump, juicy look. The oil is also like doing something for your lips. It's definitely super moisturizing. It's not sticky at all. Like my lips don't stick together. They're like very smooth and like a very thin oil, so it's not greasy. So I definitely like that. I think this is best if you are that person that kind of likes that glossy look. If your lips get dry really easily and you can't do matte lipsticks, this is definitely a really good option for that. Again, these are $55 each. Very pricey, but it seems like there's a good amount of product you get inside. It's 0.28 fluid ounces and 8.5 milliliters. So you definitely get a decent amount of product. I can see this lasting a while. Okay, let me go wipe this one off really quick, and then you all can see what the Rose Kola looks like on my lips. Applying the Rose Kola. So yeah, this is what the Rose Kola looks like on. This one, it almost tastes like licorice or something. I don't know how to explain this one. The other one definitely, I think the scent was better and it was a little more fruity and fragrant. This one tastes a little more, yeah, I don't know, like licorice in my opinion. But yeah, this does look more neutral, darker a little bit, very similar in color. So if you were to just pick one, depending on what undertone you want, I definitely think, I guess this one would be better for kind of winter-y time, and then the other one would be more like a summery undertone. So yeah, it's pretty similar on me, honestly. I like the other one. I think if I was to choose one out of the two, I would probably pick the other one, but I can use both all the time, so definitely no regrets on getting both. And yeah, in terms of scent, again, I think the Rose Pitaya, in my personal opinion, wins on the scent factor. But both super moisturizing and not oily, and you can't feel any stickiness, and it's very smooth. So definitely love that. Yeah, so I don't know if this is worth exactly $55. I know, I mean, it's Hermes, so you're paying the premium for the name. I think for the shades, the amount of different times I can wear it, and that it's actually like a lip care, not just like a color, and it actually is doing something and moisturizing and rehydrating my lips. I definitely think that's worth it, just because it's also, in that way, it's like also skincare. So it's kind of like a skincare and lip gloss, lip oil. So I like it. I think I would definitely get another color potentially, but these are the two that stood out to me right away that I would use the most, that I like. Definitely think it's worth a try. You should go into the store, do some swatches, see if you like the smells and all that. It is pretty worth the hype, honestly. I can see myself wearing this super often now. I love the way it looks. I love I just love the juicy, like shiny lip look. Okay everyone, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review on these two lip oils. I just want to get on here and show you all real quick in case you can't go into the store, just help you make your decision, what the swatches look like and all that, and how I liked it. So I hope that was helpful for you all. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and press the notification bell if you'd like to be notified every time I upload a new video. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!